Etiefo memamunia akwaba eba Melodies TV. Breaking news are eba and say police for ako bodompim. Ako ekogu eye NDC office bia ewo somenya. Na ekanyame senia enkrofo bufu ye bebunu omobufu ye a womo ekogu ho a womo esese nyama no. Nyame ambemu a na ka ye nti asemde. Now obi beka say eden enesi ye ewo ho. The yatse and say mebunu na womo kogu ha esese nyama no. They are youth belonging to this same NDC party. Now, some were making a Yellow Krobo constituency in the sea. Now, Yellow Krobo constituency, your constituency, be a mostly no a NDC for NT winning seat. No. Now, you name say NDC for to baby for primaries. Our more selected, one more parliamentary candidate for the 2020 election. Now, some constituencies be better 4 or 3 constituencies be not assem ewo ho intino. One more to about generally no those constituencies no one more to about ewo ho one more etu sheda. Inti yende ena na eye da sa Yellow Club constituency no ewo se one more to about because ho na assem ewo ho. Abranche bia na wo pese wo stand ango fusu se wo betumi ewini ye friend Albert Tete. One a branch be in a contest, a branch and a friend Michael Ologo. In go for train a contest, but ye name is about all there. Some more 4 and more 5 crown, and mostly no a year is between 2 people. Into no more train a contest mum, but it is between Michael Ologo and the Sir Albert Tete. Now Albert Tete no they see and they say, well, yeah, not just over contesting no. A member of the NDC party, our Warsaw constituency no, did no equal court. It's not a was a NDC 4 train. Emma court asem no eba wie ansa na wo moto aba ne intiana other constituencies say wa Ghana to aba no eho wo mo anto aba because na asem no ewo court omo di asem na wie e na tre say abrantie no de AC NSF first na ewo ho say NDC for wo mo anclear no in the sense wo converting won say ansa na wo be da ne MP no wo say converting. It was a constituency executives no veto. Now initially there you say and say we convert omo ye 3 omo converting and the other 2 no ye clear omo but we no kwa yan clear no inti na we no kra no ne supporters no we bu efu because asema we mo kan and say abranch na we kan ho ye friend Michael Ologo yi we yo bi a ye say ejumekuo bi NDC national chairman a friend Ofosu Ampofo owo ejumekuo bi na Ofosu Ampofo ni ejumekuo no sa Michael Ologo yi na wote ejumekuo na no wono na wohwe Ofosu Ampofo ejumekuo nti na nkrofo eka se Ofosu Ampofo supporting Michael Ologo intia na wo mo share da wo mo yese wo mo enclare abranche na efe no Albert Tete yi ba Albert Tete na ba se yen clear no wono kan nkrofo wo mo bufu ye bo mo ankose nyama enda yakoto aba na nsem ba se Albert Tete ya clear no say one also ebe stand na tre say for fairness in team for 3 ni ya clear mo so mbe stand ye be ha ye see Michael Ologo in crofo e de ebufuo akosese ballot boxes ene nyama ewo NDC constituency eye office ho eno mo say na say meni ya na NDC for mo ga say ye clear no ena ya onu ne crofo na ewo say wo mubufu ese nyama no ono kra eye abetete ne nkrofo mbo emfu anse nyama na afei yese yama ne clearance se won be contest ya wo Michael Ologo yi na won nkrofo ekoko se nyama se yempene abet no muka se mo man stand ade na afei mo sanso ebe man stand yempene na kire se ba ku suru kire ba ku nim se sa abet no was stand dia wan hwe ya wo be free so intenen crofo akwa sese inyama na eho ena trese police fo nso eteye eye Yellow Club police fa ewo ho wo mo aso eteye wo ka se dabi ade we de wo mo anko ho a asembesi inti ena me ne o ka sei report ayensa eka enese police for achi some of the youth. Now the number of people they've actually arrested we don't know. But they had say and they say they've arrested or the report is actually indicating say they've made some arrest. Now I don't understand this particular matter mentias here akwa say sisi anu mebunu no I don't know who is teaching us. Me so make a I don't know who is teaching us this thing, but akwa say sisi anu yebufu a we feel say the only way for us to talk our matter out is violence. They say yebufu a meaning if a negotiation skills na ye ni oseden but sisi amebunu no yebufu a the only way I need to say ye kwa akosese nyama hey monya nyama yewe mo anya ye bekwa akosese nyama na mo beka ya sa so menya ho na nkasa no asem wo ho. I remember say last year I don't know whether it's so menya ho I think it's so menya ho last year wo mo chenkrofo eko police for eko chenkrofo bi mebunu no eko police station ho eko bu police for no say wo mo hye sa police station ho no kra eko release wo mo nkrofo na che say ehọ de ya akoye say etuturasem na ewo mmebunu no mu ni so che say wo mu de wo mu nsuro hye etiefo eno na mentiasie because it tells you if as the youth of this nation we feel say violence is our only way of communication, then we are doomed. Because we feel say we be a there we need so be a etutrasem. We feel say this thing I need to have it. Now we nya etutrasem. Inti anono only amroba na say the difference be in a womb. Because amroba no nu ne say ade na okita na opese woje into the etutrasem e na eba also. Inti youth no any amroba na say be pray as amebisa. What's the difference? Na you say utu eye ejamwafo a na momoni nso why then wetu ne fo. Now I feel say it has come from a point we are all in this country na Ghana ye enim how our politicians are eto de bia what can sem tro mo a wo muntie nti emma emebunu no efili say the only language a your politicians na etie violence muntie me ye se mo kai KNUST last 2 years etuturasema esi wo in the first time in the history of Ghana you closing down the school and your man students no bi akofie. It was a similar thing. Now students ni feel said they are being oppressed. Womo kanya the leaders were not minding them. Now womo ye to trust them says nyama na afi leaders no aye meeting na womo ni students na kasa. Meanwhile na students ni kasa sana leaders no omo beso mbefi omo. Na same way the mat say and say committee womo share the election directorate of NDC party womo share sa so menya krone so etena say investigation womo form a special committee investigation ansa na womo clear sa branch ya friend Albert Tetei until last week ya na ye clear no say one contested for primaries na tell say ye say last year na NDC primary score so for a very long time for several months na committee no tenase until the party was actually waiting for the report of the special committee a womo teye na committee ne tenase no mu say dabi abrante no wondi bone bia ye clear no so uncontested na afi ya clear na oni kra wone no air contest no wone ne nkrofo akoho ekose nyama sebe senye suro na wusura. Politics is for those who are strong with competition. Nkrofo bi wo ho they strive best when there's competition. Just say wonya se wobi man the competition a eho na ni bre etumi ye adwuma. Nkrofo bi nso wo ho a wo mpe competition. Wobi man the competition a wompe want to mean adwuma no. Politics eye ejuma womo a womo pe competition ene edum womo, because every single time of your life you are competing. It is a wonim say won to me en compete a aden e na oba contest ema wo youth esuro said abi nipa na ya clear no wo betumi ewini nti no yen konko say nyama. Obviously youth no wo mo nya omo agen say o yenim say wo be wini nti ana ye be kwa ko say nyama o meka say dabi we di bone en say mo clear no in the name of that, but say wonim say wo be wini pa you not bother. Wonim say Usain Bolt yen fam say Usain Bolt ni obi be ko races yen yen say Usain Bolt be wini. Usain Bolt will not be even bothered. Wonim say wo be wini pa emfa ho wa wo gina ho yi e bia wonim bibi ye yen fam say Real Madrid ene e bia Ghana team benkra yen fam say Real Madrid ene House of Folk e be bobo metumi atro say 99% ye be ka say Real Madrid ene be wini. Real Madrid nim say wo be wini nti no emfa ne ho say House of Folk no e bia board bi atena say o first na ya disqualify omo basisia no ye ma omo kwan say wo mo mbra embebo. Real Madrid nim say wo be wini nti emfa ne ho House no mo pa mo fa ne mbra mo fa ne mba ye be wini party ase nti say wonim say wo be wini a you not be bothered whether the other candidate is actually cleared or not. Now your own political party na mo ye mu hu say hey and the opposition then na mo de be no chale mo ye mu so yo Ghana tetie fo eno ne asema esi mo ntra mo adwen e wo comment box ni mo politics dey be ameka crime has no political color. Inti me person crofo be ba beka and NDC for the sa ye de yenim Ghana NDC ni MPP for ni nia to throw to trasem for egum won try mo adwen me da say